Hi everybody, it's me again, developer of BonyFace, and in this video you will see the LipSync layer. Let's go! Here is my girl. As you can see, there is no animation and sound at all. Start drive and create a LipSync layer. This is LipSync for all controls. This is my previously saved phonemes. I will use it later. So this is a phrase to walk and sound a wave file from Blizzard's Diablo 2 Lord of Destruction game, because I like it. This button analyzes the phrase and fills the list. Now if we play animation, we will hear the sound. Well, first of all, I have to clear this list from some letters which I don't need it. For example, there is 2E, don't need. These 3 letters is a single sound, so I can delete it. Yes. Also, this will be single sound. And this too. Yes. Oh, actually I can, in the brackets is an abbreviation. This abbreviation and this abbreviation too. I hope it is clear. And also there is no sound on this letter. Так, this is it. Now I have to define the frame of the end of each word. Oh, let's say 27 should be here. So what I can do, I can decrease the length of some sounds. For example, this and this. Well, 7. Okay. Okay. I'm decreasing this too. 8. Nice. Well, aha. Should be longer. This should start from 94. Okay. We'll see. Okay, and like this. Well, now I decrease slightly the length of these letters. And increase the length of this. Yes, because turns. Well, details of all these digits of all these numbers and settings you can find in the technical demo of LipSync layer. Well, now I can apply phonemes, for example. these buttons assigns phonemes by abbreviations. This is it, and this is the case. Well, what can I do? I can replace, for example, phoneme S because it's too emotional, and assign by hands phoneme, for example this. Actually, you can type here anything, but if you type correct abbreviation, you can assign phoneme by this button or by hands like this. Well, same sound. Well, all my phonemes is very simple, so movement only of 1 or 2 controls, nothing more. So if your phoneme will be more complex and accurate, you will reach more realistic animation. Okay. Well, B like P, looks like it's done. So actually I want to replace all S to S1 phoneme, for example, by this button. You see, bad emotion. And now I can play my lip sync animation. A bug. Okay, let's continue. Now I'm able to hide and show my controls. See, this is some strange bug. Works again. Well, doesn't matter. Let's continue with lip sync.
It seems your terms are not acceptable. It seems your terms are not acceptable.
This is it.
Your terms are not acceptable.
Well, again. Wait a second. Okay. This is my keyframes. So what you may do, for example, you may at any time move some keys, increase or decrease some values, for example, and actually by right clicking on these values you will move to any frame you want. For example, the start, the frame of your, the frame of T, R, for example. So you can easily navigate through all these words. Okay. Well, let's make this sound more longer. This is the start, and this is yes, 52 turns. Let's move S. Так, well, all keys are moving. This should be
not acceptable.
well. This is common workflow. Actually, you can save all this thing into new file. I can actually now delete this completely, create new LipSync layer.
It seems your terms are not acceptable.
BonyFace doesn't delete sound. Load this file and press this button to apply phonemes. This is it.
It seems your terms are not acceptable. It seems
No, viewport performance is too slow, of course.
it seems your terms are not acceptable. It's It seems your terms are not acceptable. It seems your terms
I don't know how to show this in real time. Well, hope your PC is much powerful. Oh, okay. What can I do else? Oh, for example, I can change phoneme. Oh, let's delete this layer. Okay, now I change some phoneme S1. First of all, I have to apply it. Yes, and in this frame I also move the eyelids, so on each this sound my model have to close the eyes. Yes, save. Yes, I won't replace. Well, actually, if you have to replace abbreviation or replace these numbers after you save font name, you may just load it into Notepad and change all these values: abbreviation, length, and the rest value. Okay, now delete this, apply reset pause, switch to phoneme mode back, create new LipSync layer, load my previously saved BLS file and press this button. Hop. So this is a power of LipSync layer and phonemes.
are not acceptable. It seems your terms are not acceptable.
Well, hope you like it. Goodbye.